Hi, this is Coggett, and hope everybody's doing fine out there. I myself am doing pretty good. We have a severe thunderstorm rolling into Tornado Alley. Thought I'd come out and catch a little bit of it here before it gets raining real bad. And it's hot out here. It's about 90 to 100 degrees. Pan around a little bit, show everybody what's happening around here. There's a thunderstorm right just about over me. I just got in from work, and this rode in. There's the road to the poor farm. Coggett Mobile. But it's not raining yet down here. It's like I feel drops now. It's starting to rain a little bit. And it's fixing to start pouring. I thought I'd just go ahead and get a little bit of coverage here on the storm what's rolling in, and it's starting to rain now. This is view from my front porch. I tell you, it's hot out here. Let's see, now that one like kind of over my house there. I tell you, we sure need the rain. Nothing like a good thunderstorm in Tornado Alley. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit. I'd like to go out there and catch it on the other side coming in, but my camera's not waterproof and I don't want to mess it up if it gets wet here. Oh, that cloud's right over my house just about. Huh. Where lightning and thundering the way it is, it sure isn't putting out much rain. There's some pretty neat looking clouds out here. It's got lightning in it. Swear, with all this thunder and lightning, and there's not hardly any rain falling at all right now. Maybe it'll fall in a little bit. Oh man, I tell you, it is hot out here. Haven't made any thunderstorm videos because there hasn't been any thunderstorms coming through. Now the wind's picking up. Yeah, it's getting pretty good now. Boy, that wind is really blowing. You can see the trees that just blew in. I had a lot of dust out here. You can really see the dust in the air. It's bringing a really haze to everything, and the wind's really kicking up. You can see right there when the car goes by the dust. Well, focus. There you go. Haven't had a severe thunderstorm in so long, I kind of forgot what one was all about. But it's coming through pretty good, and you can see the dust right there blowing through. You can see it where the clouds kind of separate there, and the dust, like as much the dust is on the ground there, really, really bad. And it's right now it's at 8:20 in the evening. Maybe we're just going to get a dust storm. Come on, you stupid thing, focus. There you go.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Well, we got through the dust and everything, so now comes the rain. A severe thunderstorm. And it's raining pretty good. I'm trying to keep out of this rain. So my camera doesn't get wet. Believe it or not, the weather said no chance of rain today. Can you believe that? They said no chance of rain today. And now it's raining. And that's the Tornado Alley, Texas weather for you. I just thought I'd go ahead and show you what's happening right now. It's like 8:25 in the evening. I just got off of work. Fixing to go inside. That's coming down pretty good. Starting to get a little wet here. That was a good lightning flash. Yeah, this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. My water's splashing on my camera, so I don't want it to get wet, so I'm just going to go ahead and end this video and go inside. This is Scoggett. Y'all continue to stay safe out there and take care.